guys, I'm Xinyi. Well, for the epidemic prevention and control, Chinese government this year has encouraged people to stay at where they worked. According to transportation authorities, about 1 billion trips will be made during the Spring Festival, down more than 20% from last year. But in cities, however, there are still so many interesting places to go for people who cannot go back to their hometown and for the local residents. So let's have a look. Combining traditional Chinese style with the modern decoration is a quite delicate thing, but in this tea house, it works out just fine. It got a beautiful porch decorated by the traditional Chinese lanterns, and it got the best vibe if you want to have a drink with your friends. You can find everything you need around this tea house, no matter you want tea or a cup of coffee, or you just want to have a drink to chill out with your friends.